So in this video we're going to be having a look at the two main programs that we use to control and operate our JWEI JCUT cutter. So the very first one is JWCAM, which I have open now. Here is the icon, it's on my desktop, and we do like to put it on our taskbar as well. And if I open that up, you'll see that this is like the toolbox of our JWEI cutter. So in here, we're going to do a lot of our sort of setups. We're going to do a lot of our tool setups, parameters. We're going to control the actual head going around the table. We're going to control the suction zones. And we're also going to set things like our temporary origin and our tool depths. Once we've used JWCAM, we're then going to go into OptiScout. OptiScout, again, you'll find on our desktop. This is in two parts. You have the server, which is just down here, and you'll find that in your programs file, down to here, and you'll see OptiScout. There it is. Eurosystems, and you'll see server and then production 9. Then we have production 9, which again we normally link onto your toolbar. And then this is where we're actually going to design the files. We're going to import the files into, we're going to set them up and set the parameters to get them ready to cut. So we will be outputting all of our jobs from OptiScout. They will then go into JWCAM and they'll cut from JWCAM. When they're cutting in JWCAM, you will get a preview and you'll get an on-screen sort of preview of your job or display of your job as it's actually cutting as well. If we want to cancel a job or pause a job, we do that all through JWCAM. If we want to resend that job, we're going to do that through OptiScout. So that's a bit of a explanation on the software that we use to operate our JWEI JCUT cutter.